For this recipe, we need some ginger, garlic, onions, and some local herbs which my mom plucked from our garden. Now put them all together in the mixer grinder to make a paste. So now the paste is ready. I just love this color and it smells really good. Now put some mustard oil in the karai. Now put some Indian bay leaves. And now add the paste. I'm just in love with this smell, guys. I wish I could just send it through this video to you all. Here I have some powdered black pepper and I love having it with chicken. Now add some haldi, that is turmeric powder, and mix it well. Now it's time to add the black pepper powder. This recipe right here is very healthy for you guys. You should definitely give it a try. Now add some water. Now it's time to add the chicken. Add some salt. It looks delicious already. And trust me, I was drooling while making this video, guys. Now add some boiled water. Here my mom has made some rotis for me because I love having rotis with chicken. So dinner is served, guys, and I know you all are drooling because this is so mouth-watering. And if you were wondering what herbs did we use, you can check my description box and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell